Yeah, hopefully I don't get caught. Yeah. Thanks for letting me hang out with you today. My mom was really getting on my nerves. No, yeah, he's mad cute. He was like, can I dance with you? I'm like, yeah. No, I'm going to talk to you tomorrow, okay? All right, bye.
What you doing down here so late?
You know, I came to grab a drink.
In that outfit?
Yeah, I just decided to look good while I go grab a drink.
Look, I know you've been out with that boy Kyle.
Oh, Mom.
Tell me the truth.
I was just with Natasha, Mom.
I know you up to something. You always do this.
Come on, I told you the truth. What more do you want me to say?
I'm gonna deal with you later.
Natasha, what's up with the early call? Oh, shit. Well, my mom doesn't get home at 3, so, you mind if I stay at your house? All right, cool, thanks.
Mom wants you to pick up a few things for her.
I made plans already.
Come on, it's only for today, and besides, both know I've got more important things to do than you do.
Fine, I'll do it.
Oh,
Don't touch me, Jay.
Don't
touch me! God.
All right.
Honey.
I left the list on your dresser.
Obviously.
See you later.
What happened to your face?
Nothing. Jay told you what I needed, right?
Yeah. Where's that?
Upstairs.
If he was upstairs, I would hear his loud footsteps come down here. The smell of alcohol would be strong. He'd yell at you at first, and then you guys would get into it. That's if he was upstairs.
Excuse me? But your father does everything for us.
Yeah.
Don't act like he doesn't.
He definitely does do a lot for us.
This house is a fucking mess.
What
the
are
hell
you
are you
talking
doing
about?
all
The
day?
house is a mess. I make sure the house is
a fucking
clean.
mess.
I make sure that you have food.
Well, you ain't
I make
working
sure
hard
you take care of
every
your
day to
daughter.
make sure that you're good, to make
She
sure
needs
she's
a father.
good. Yeah, and I am her father.
She needs you. You think you're taking care of the house and think you're working? You're not doing nothing.
Fuck, I'm
You
here all the
haven't been
fucking
here.
time. I ain't
You're
here.
not here.
He does.
Look, okay. Just let it go. Just let it go.
I'm not gonna sit here and listen to you lie to me.
I don't want to hear it. Just let it go. I'm gonna have your father deal with you.
What's that gonna do? He gonna hit me too?
Look, don't have me call your father. I don't need you. No, we don't need you here. Me and Nancy's gonna be fine. Just leave. You need us. We don't need you. You don't need out. I don't need you. Get out! Get out my face! Get out! Get out of here! I'm tired of you coming in here with that same old drag time and time again. You know what? I'm tired of this. I'm tired of you always hearing your mouth. You are never satisfied. I'm tired of you think that just because you bring home a paycheck like you're doing something, you're not doing nothing.
Come on, Cheryl. I come home every day and all you do is complain. For once, I like to come home to a nice wife.
Maybe if you came home on time, we wouldn't have this problem. Nancy!
Get upstairs.
Let's just go. See, you're the problem.
I'm the problem. Why do you always let Dad hit you? Daddy,
go.
please stop.
Just
Daddy,
go upstairs.
Daddy, please stop doing it.
alone. Just go.
If you don't get upstairs, I'm gonna give you something to get upstairs for. Now.
Fine. I'll go.
Nancy! Where are you going?
I'm moving out of here.
Why are you leaving?
Do I really need to answer that?
Come on, let's just talk about this. Just come inside. Please. Don't leave. I need you. I want things to be the way they used to be.
I've done so much for this family already. Now you want me to stay?
I need you. I need you to stay.
Ma,
need
you
you to
never act
stay.
like this before. You don't need me. You got Dad. So why now? There's no more room for sorrow.